Musumbi William Ruto ni watangasa kana nthi ya Kenya ni kwithiwa na mawaluku ivinda ya myaka 10 Yukite na ndikithiwe tona kumanika ki Aineenea kavindani kala itongoese kuvingwa umbano wake liwa kila mwaka second annual Kenya Diaspora Investment Conference nyumbani ya KICC. Ruto ni waisekana silikali ni yaniwe ni wia ula withitwe wende wa kusuvya ukwati wa nthi ayelesya kana silikali ni yosete na kitumi muno akenya alama ekala muingo na kwendewe ni ngwata ni onzeo ila methitwe nayo kwinthi ya Kenya. Ben Musau nukutwelesya.
Aineenea kavindani ka kuvingwa umbano wake liwa kila mwaka wa utandithya ma Kenya na alama nthi sianza na ula watwaiwe nyumbani ya mbubano ya KICC. Musumbi William Ruto ni waweta nthi ya Kenya ni kukusia waluku munene thini wa myaka 10 Yukite.
We are a great nation. I am very confident about Kenya. And I'm very confident about the future. And I promise you that Kenya is going to change. This, our country. Take it from me. 10 years from today, people will come to Kenya and they will not recognize. We will have transformed this country in a very fundamental way. And it is going to take difficult, smart decisions, and I promise you we are very well underway in making sure that we change our country.
Ruto eweta silikali yake taikutambua na kwitikila wiwa la Kenya alama nthi sianza methito maitethya kithitoni cha kukosia ukwati wa nthi.
The diaspora's contribution through remittances has overtaken the performance of our major exports and now constitute a major anchor of economic stability and driver of investments in our country. This event, therefore, eloquently testifies to the government's commitment in delivering its commitment to the diaspora.
Okavindani ka Ruto ni aimaikiithisya Kenya alama nthi sianza useseiwo ni kana maendeleo na kutethya mawia mo na kutunga maendeleo nthi ya Kenya. Aiweta silikali yake tayende na kuthukuma kuikithya uthukumi wonthe wa mwene nthi kwanzia cia mitandao ni waila.
For the diaspora to be involved in the socio-economic development back home, they have to be secure and flourishing in their host countries. As government of Kenya, the security and safety of all citizens is our foremost commitment and most fundamental obligation, without which every other endeavor, including the conversation we are having here about investment, would not be possible. I committed to decentralize, automate, and digitize as many government services as we can so that the diaspora can access them online and do not have to spend hours or even whole days traveling to get consular service. I can confirm, as indeed my PS diaspora has, that we have expanded digital provision of public services to encompass 14,000 government services. And it is our commitment to ensure full digitization.
Alangi mevikita umbanoni uyo ni munene wa maminista na maundu manza Musalia Mudavadi na gavana wa Nakuru Susan Kihika ula eungamie kilio cha mwene kivila nzama ya magavana.
We were having a light moment with the president here, and somebody said, why are you selling KICC? The government talked about privatization. They did not talk about disposal.
Each of the county governments has identified at least 5 value chains that are visible for aggregation and high prospects for value addition and industrialization.
Vilingi wa Mauvo Mutongoi TV, Nyenita wa Ben Musau.